to this video. If you use Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to clear your chat history in Alipay app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to General. The next thing you need to do is to click on Clear Chat History. Then right here, all chat history will be clear and cannot be recovered. Simply click on Clear right here. And with that, every chat history you have in your Alipay account is going to be fully deleted without any stress, and you cannot recover it. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.